Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to book last minute hotel deals in Australia. I will be on website which is called lastminute.com, and make sure you will have logged in. So in this website, which is the best thing is that you will just on one side you will just flight plus hotel. So you will just book your flight and you will just also plus the hotel. But I will be just move in only hotels. I will just tap on it. So you will just find the accommodation in Sydney. I will just already put in the destination, and I will just tab on it and selected the dates. Like example, I want to go on 1 March, and I will be just stay in like 6th, so like only 6 days, and you will just select it the adults. So if you have 2 or 2 plus, so you will just add it from here, and if you have a child, so you will just also add it from. But right now I will be only one person, so I will just tab on it search. So let's see what is the best deals in the last minute to book the hotel. So when it's completely load, so these are the hotels you will see. I will just book the 5 nights. So it will just cost, the per night cost is like 327 euros. It is too expensive. So in this filter section you will just tab on the budget, and you will just drop down the cost minimum to max like 150 euros. It is okay. So I will just tab on it apply, and let's see. So when I just add some filter and I set the customized price for the per night accommodation, so it will be just shows me the best deals like hostel in Sydney, Australia. So it will be just costed per night in 32 euros per night, and including free Wi-Fi only one adult. And if I just also scroll down, so there are also the Nomad Sydney hostel, and it will be just costed like 31 euros per night. So in this way you will, in the last minute you will just book the hotel deals from here. If you can't find the hotel, so you will just also book the hostels. But here you will see this is the Azoro boutique hotel, and it will be just costed per night 38 euros. It is very best website to book the last minute hotel deals in Australia. So that's it. You will just customize the price budget right over here. Select your destination, your departure date, and you will just add a traveler and just set it and book the hotel from here. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.